Welcome to XYZ Tech, where we dive into the latest and greatest in technology. Today, we're exploring the emerging tech gadgets of 2024. What's new and worth your attention? Let's find out. 2024 has been an exciting year for tech enthusiasts. With advancements in various fields, the gadgets hitting the market are more innovative than ever. In this video, we'll review and analyze these new releases, helping you decide what's worth buying. Let's start with one of the most talked about gadgets this year, the smart glasses with augmented reality. These aren't just ordinary glasses. They blend digital content with the real world, offering an immersive experience like never before. The design is sleek and unobtrusive, a far cry from the bulky AR glasses of the past. They're lightweight and stylish, making them a practical accessory for everyday use. The AR capabilities are where these glasses truly shine. Imagine getting navigation prompts right in your line of sight, or seeing product information pop up as you shop. The possibilities are endless. Battery life is a key consideration, and these glasses don't disappoint. With a full day's worth of battery on a single charge, you won't be left hanging during crucial moments. The user interface is intuitive, making the AR features accessible to everyone, not just the tech-savvy. Gesture controls and voice commands work seamlessly, adding to the overall user experience. Continuing with the smart glasses, let's talk about their capabilities and limitations. The AR display is crisp and clear, even in bright sunlight, which is a significant improvement over earlier models. However, there are limitations. The field of view is still somewhat restricted, meaning you're not getting a full peripheral AR experience. But for most practical purposes, it's more than sufficient. Now, let's shift our focus to another groundbreaking gadget of 2024, the solar-powered portable charger. This device is a game-changer for anyone who's on the go. Gone are the days of scrambling for a power outlet. This charger harnesses solar energy, making it perfect for outdoor enthusiasts or during power outages. The charger is compact, durable, and surprisingly lightweight. It can easily fit in a backpack or even a large pocket, making it ideal for travel. It's not just the portability that impresses, the charging speed is on par with traditional chargers. This means you can quickly charge your devices without waiting for hours. The built-in battery stores enough power to charge a smartphone multiple times. This feature is particularly useful when sunlight isn't readily available. Environmental impact is a big consideration, and this gadget scores high in sustainability. By using renewable energy, it reduces carbon footprint, making it a smart choice for the eco-conscious. While the solar-powered portable charger is a step forward in eco-friendly technology, it's not without its limitations. The charging efficiency depends heavily on the intensity of sunlight, which can be a challenge in less sunny areas. Additionally, the device's solar panels are robust, but they do require careful handling to avoid damage. This means a bit of extra care is needed compared to traditional chargers. Now, let's explore our third gadget, the AI-powered home assistant. This device takes smart home technology to a whole new level. This assistant is more than just a voice-controlled device. It learns and adapts to your daily routines, making your home more efficient and comfortable. The level of customization is impressive. From controlling your home's temperature to managing security systems, it integrates seamlessly with various smart devices. Privacy is a big concern with AI assistants, and this gadget addresses that with robust security features. Your data is encrypted and stored locally, minimizing the risk of breaches. The assistant's AI can even predict potential issues in your home, like a failing appliance, and alert you before it becomes a problem. This proactive approach is a significant advancement in home technology. But, the gadget does have a steep learning curve. Setting it up and getting used to its functionalities can be daunting for non-tech-savvy users. The AI-powered home assistant certainly sets a new standard in smart homes, but it's not without its challenges. The initial setup can be complex, requiring a thorough understanding of your home's smart devices. Despite this, the long-term benefits are undeniable. It offers a level of convenience and efficiency that traditional smart home devices simply can't match. Now, let's turn our attention to the Next-Gen Wearable Fitness Tracker. This gadget redefines the concept of health monitoring. Unlike previous fitness trackers, this one offers a comprehensive health analysis. It tracks not just your steps or heart rate, but also your sleep quality, stress levels, and even hydration. The device's design is sleek and comfortable, making it wearable all day and night. It's not just a tracker, it's a fashion statement. What sets it apart is its accuracy. The sensors are incredibly precise, providing data that you can trust. The tracker also integrates with a range of health apps, giving you a complete picture of your wellness. This integration allows for personalized health tips and workout recommendations. However, it does come with a higher price tag, which might be a consideration for some users. But for those serious about their health, it's an investment worth making. The Next-Gen Wearable Fitness Tracker, while impressive, isn't perfect. Its advanced features come at a cost, potentially putting it out of reach for budget-conscious consumers. Additionally, while its data collection is extensive, it may raise privacy concerns for some users. Understanding and managing data sharing settings is crucial. Moving on to our fifth and final gadget, the ultra-portable mini drone. This gadget is a marvel of engineering, blending portability with powerful features. The drone is small enough to fit in your palm, yet it packs a camera that rivals those of larger drones. Its image stabilization technology ensures crystal-clear photos and videos. It's incredibly user-friendly, with an intuitive control system that even beginners can master quickly. The drone's flight time is impressive for its size, offering up to 30 minutes on a single charge. This makes it ideal for capturing extended footage or exploring new heights. One of its standout features is the automatic tracking mode, where it follows you autonomously. This is perfect for adventure enthusiasts looking to capture their moments. However, its small size does mean a compromise on range and speed. It's not designed for long-distance flights or high-speed chases. The ultra-portable mini drone, while not built for extreme conditions, excels in convenience and ease of use. Its limitations in range and speed are a trade-off for its portability. The drone's ability to capture high-quality images in such a compact form is a testament to the advancements in miniaturization technology. It's perfect for casual users and professionals who need a lightweight, travel-friendly drone. As we conclude, let's reflect on the emerging tech gadgets of 2024. This year has been an incredible showcase of innovation and creativity. From the smart glasses with augmented reality to the ultra-portable mini drone, each gadget brings something unique to the table. These gadgets not only push the boundaries of what's possible but also offer practical solutions to everyday problems. Whether it's enhancing your reality, staying powered on the go, managing your home smartly, monitoring your health, or capturing life's moments from new perspectives, 2024's tech gadgets have something for everyone. In choosing what to buy, consider what fits your lifestyle and needs. Each gadget, while revolutionary, has its own set of pros and cons. It's about finding the right balance for you. Finally, we hope this review has been insightful and helps you navigate the exciting world of tech gadgets. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share it with your friends and fellow tech enthusiasts. Your support means a lot to us here at XYZ Tech. Remember, technology is constantly evolving, and we can't wait to see what the future holds. Stay tuned for more tech reviews and updates.